Hi guys, and welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to delete order in Shopify. To start, open your internet browser and then log on to myshopify.com. Once on My Shopify, head on over to the left corner and then click on the gear icon that says Settings, and then a pop-up will appear. Once you're here, click on Payments. On Payments, select Payment Providers and then click on the button that says Choose a Provider. Then in here, you can choose a provider that you want to use. Scroll down and then check the payment option. Make sure it is checked. Once done, click on the button that says Activate. Now you can go to your online store and add any product into your cart. In here, you will need to go to your online store and place an order as a customer would. At checkout, enter the following credit card details instead of genuine numbers. Enter each of these in turn to simulate different types of transactions. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.